Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to set up a passkey for an easier login on TikTok. So let's get started. First thing first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the TikTok, simply tap on the Me or Profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Then once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner and tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the accounts. Once you're inside the account, you will get to see the passkey option available there. Simply tap on it. Then continue with the process. Then enter your touch ID or face ID or enter your mobile passcode. Then the passkey has been saved successfully for the further process. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.